Hello everyone, this is me. It's my wife Ashlyn. Wave Ashlyn. Hi. Just showing you some pictures and sights of the winter storm that we're having. You can see now that's some of the snow accumulation. The small plow has been through this way. Going back that way, you can see some of the snow drifts. There's the truck. We are headed over across campus to see how things are going. Snow is small, it's powdery, it's icy and powdery. It hurts when it hits your face. So we're bundled up. We're going to try to keep on the either the dry patches or the snowier patches. The wind is coming and it takes your breath away because of the coldness. So that's how things look. From here you can see across the quad over where I live. So we'll talk to you later.